Okay, we're back, and this is a second video on analyzing our data on chirps per second versus temperature for a cricket. So I'm in Microsoft Excel, and I'm in a workbook, and here I've already typed in my chirps per second, and there's the frequency, chirps per second, and I already put in the corresponding temperatures. Now remember, when we use the calculator, chirps per second, that was our x-axis, and the temperature fell on our y-axis. Now to use Excel to create a scatter plot of this data is we click and select, just select this data. There we go. And now we're going to move up to charts. We want to click on charts and then select scatter and then marked scatter. So this is our scatter plot. Here we go. I'm going to blow this up a little bit here. Let's see if I can drag this down. There we go. Make it a little bit bigger. I don't need the series, so I'm going to remove that. Okay. Now here we have remember the x-axis represents chirps per second. Our y-axis is the temperature, and that is in Fahrenheit. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create a regression line. So to do that, now if I let go of, you can see I've let go of the graph. If you click on the graph and go up to charts and chart layout, so click on chart layout, and from chart layout we want to move over to trend lines. I'm going to click the down arrow for trend lines because I want to go to trend line options. So if I select trend line options, I get a selection of options, and I'm going to first go to options right here, and I want to display the regression equation on the chart, and I also want to display the r squared value on the chart. And r squared is the square of my correlation coefficient. So now I'm going to click OK, and there's my regression line. It looks pretty good. There it is. It looks like this is very good data for linear regression. And r squared is 0.9, so r is very close to 1, or the absolute value of r is very close to 1, and it's sort of small here, but you can see the y equals mx plus b. That is our regression line, and it's very close. Should be pretty much the same as what we got when we used the calculator.